1718C. Okay. Red, are you ready? Blue. Ready? Autonomous. 3, 2, 1, go. So we have blue moving in autonomous. 1221 just missing. 1429 missing with theirs. So right now we have no autonomous. Okay, drivers, 3, 2, 1, go. So there was no score there in autonomous. It's going to come down into driver's mode. In the meantime, 1221K decided to unplug themselves. It'll take a couple of seconds there for them to get back in line. 90 seconds to go in this match. Now 1221 is back operational. 1429 seems to be dead again. Oh, there's a 20-point score there for red by 9850E. 1718C. Another mobile goal there for red. Starting to build a lead up there for red with 57 seconds to go. Oh, yeah, I know. I keep missing that. Yeah, I see that. So we still have, it looks like 2v1 because one robot is not moving. Red is beginning to build that lead with 38 seconds to go. Blue is yet to score any points. 30 seconds. 1718C has the third mobile goal. Had it, they dropped it. 20 seconds to go in this match. And they put that in place. 3 mobile goals scored there for red. Nothing yet for blue. 7 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Blue got shut out on that one. So right now rankings, 285A is number 1. 2, 3, I counted 3 undefeated teams so far. I believe everybody plays 6 matches today, so we'll end up at the, see who ranks 1 through 8. Those teams, 1 through 8, will be team captains, and they will have their choice to pick 2 other teams to help them for the rest of the day through the eliminations. That will happen after match number